Alright guys, what's up? This is our 2021 TriStar autographed football jersey one box break number 2. Miguel, unfortunately, we don't sell the teams individually when we have this many available. We just sell as a lot, or we just keep them just because there's so many. For some reason, this only sold 7 out of the 33 spots, so I'm not sure what happened with this one. People just weren't interested, which is weird to me. Alright guys, this is our owners list. Any team that has a blank is available in our so basically we're going to have 26 teams available. 26 of these teams did not sell, so we're going to do a spot deal. 26 team spot deal. You're basically going to get 26 teams for this entire break, which if you look, your odds are going to be pretty good that you're going to hit the jersey. So if we were to sell these 26 teams on eBay, we'd probably get close to $200. So right now in the break, in the chat, what we're going to do is we're going to offer the 26 teams as a lot. So it's either the 26 teams or nothing. 26 teams for 150 bucks. So you're going to save right around 50 bucks from buying them on eBay from our eBay price. 26 teams at 150 bucks. 150 bucks and you get all 26. Unfortunately, we're not going to sell them individually. Anthony, I'm sorry. Selling them individually would take too long and be too... we're just going to sell them as a lot. I know, dude. I know. So guys, it's either 26. It's either all 26 for 150 or none. We're not going to be selling them individually. But this is, I don't know if you guys know about the TriStar brand. TriStar is a good brand. They have JSA, PSA, DNA, and Beckett. They have all 3 certifications. You can get 2021 draft pick jerseys, current stars, Hall of Fame stars, games of the great, or game day greats, I should say. But guys, if you are interested in the future, I'm sure you guys know about our eBay. I'm sure that's why you're here. You bid on these on eBay. If you're not familiar with our eBay, you can bid on these jerseys. We have these jerseys coming for the next couple weeks every single day. So there's our eBay. If you guys are interested in bidding on any of the jerseys for the next upcoming couple weeks, put a bid down for your favorite team, and you can see all these teams that didn't sell. If they would have just had one bid, the starting bid price, they would have won them. And there's free shipping on these as well. Free shipping on all these. So Brandon, if you're just joining us, we're selling these as a team lot. All 26 teams is going to be sold for 150 bucks. So we're doing 26 teams for 150, or we're going to just keep the 150 or the 26 teams over on this side. So 26 teams, every team that has a blank is available in this $150 lot. 26 teams for 150 bucks. All those available teams there. So I'll wait a couple minutes to see if anybody is interested. If not, we're going to open it up and see what we get. What do you think's in there?
I don't know.
Take a guess.
Patrick Mahomes.
Patrick Mahomes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Doesn't look like anybody's interested. So there's our seal right there. You can see it inside the cellophane. It's still sealed, not tampered with. Cellophane is still intact all the way around on the box. So let's go ahead and get her opened up and see what we got inside. My colleague here seems to think we have a Patrick Mahomes in here. That would be cool. He's calling a Patrick Mahomes. So good luck to everybody. Well, to the few of you that are in this break, good luck. Go ahead and pop the seal. All right, guys, good luck. It's going to be Davante Adams for the Packers. That is a Davante Adams for the Packers. Number 17. JSA certification. So Davante Adams. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the jersey break. We're going to be right back with our select football 2-box blaster break coming up right after this. So until then guys, have a great rest of your day. If I don't see you, stay safe. We'll talk to you later. Yeah, that's the alternate jersey. Yeah, that's the alternate one. Yep. Alright Brandon, I'll talk to you later, man.